For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video.
Well, here is another one. Just when we were wondering where was Katrina and why was she missing in all the fan pictures from Morocco, this picture surfaced and so did the British beauty. View, we really are relieved. Kat looks her sporty best as her unruly mane flows like a life of its own. Dressed in blue ripped jeans and a well-fitted black t-shirt, Katrina managed to turn on the oomph. Salman too was already in his tiger avatar, right down to the signature scarf as he posed with a die-hard fan. Time and again we receive pictures like these and we must say that they make our day. So what do you have to say about these latest pictures from Tiger Zinda Hai? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
I think Arbaz has already clarified it, so I don't think. I don't know. I think I don't know the exact. It is very silly for me to answer it, but I think जो भी clarifications that need to be given, I think Arbaz ने already did. Well, I never knew what it is like to be an entrepreneur, but it feels great to be called an entrepreneur because I think over the years you always strive to want to do something different and something better. So yes, definitely it feels nice to be in a space that I had absolutely no knowledge about, and more importantly, I think we have a fantastic team that works at the label Life, and I think they all help us be better entrepreneurs.
Well, here is another one. Just when we were wondering where was Katrina and why was she missing in all the fan pictures from Morocco, this picture surfaced and so did the British beauty. View, we really are relieved. Kat looks her sporty best as her unruly mane flows like a life of its own. Dressed in blue ripped jeans and a well-fitted black t-shirt, Katrina managed to turn on the oomph. Salman too was already in his tiger avatar, right down to the signature scarf as he posed with a die-hard fan. Time and again we receive pictures like these and we must say that they make our day. So what do you have to say about these latest pictures from Tiger Zinda Hai? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
मैं चलो भाई थोड़ा आगे चलो जाने दो रास्ता ये मांगे ना अरे आगे आगे रास्ता कैसे आगे जाएंगे साइड में जाने के आप तो खच्चों के तो आराम से पब्लिक जाएगी ना यार क्या कर रहे हैं
Salman Khan is presently in Morocco shooting for some high-octane action scenes for his upcoming spy thriller Tiger Zinda Hai. And now we have laid our hands on Salman's entry look for the film. Donning his Ekta tiger scarf, Salman looked rugged and hot. Filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar also shared a video of Salman Khan training in horse riding. He shared it with the caption, "Straight from New York with no sleep, Salman Khan jumps in for horse riding training for Tiger Zinda Hai, Morocco." Starring Katrina Kaif and Salman Khan, Tiger Zinda Hai is a sequel to the very famous film Ek Tha Tiger, which was directed by Kabir Khan. Indeed, this entry look of Salman Khan has left us fascinated. So what are your comments on this? Do let us know. Yes, it's true. Anushka Sharma, who was making her debut with the film Rab Ne Banati Jodi, had apparently insulted SRK on the sets. It seems that while shooting, Anushka walked up to King Khan and said, "I really like you. You are so nice, but I have never liked you as an actor." Shah Rukh had brushed off her comments as a sign of nervousness by a newbie, and so he didn't pay much heed to these words. But on the last day of shooting, when SRK once more asked her whether she liked his acting now, she promptly replied, "No, I like you as a person." Indeed, it was quite an insult for a debutant to pass such comments on a superstar, but it seems Shah Rukh took it in his stride. Now that's quite a great gesture. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. We all know that Salman Khan has already begun training for his upcoming dance-based film, where he will be sharing screen space with his Kick co-star Jacqueline Fernandez. The film will be helmed by ace choreographer Remo D'Souza. As the project was untitled for quite some time, the grapevine went overboard guessing. Some even speculated that it would be called Dancing Dad. And finally, the makers have revealed that the film would be titled Go Daddy. This is the first time that Salman Khan has agreed to be a part of a dance-based film, and he is already training in various dance forms. After wrapping up the shooting for his upcoming espionage thriller Tiger Zinda Hai, Salman will plunge head-on into the shooting for Go Daddy. The film will have Salman play the role of a widower with a 9-year-old daughter who hopes to see her dad win a dance contest. Jacqueline essays the role of a dance instructor. Slated to release on Eid 2018, we hope that the film manages to live up the expectations of fans and dance lovers. What do you think? Do let us know by commenting in the section. Salman Khan had a rocking time at the IFA 2017, and his entertaining act was indeed memorable. The Sultan also wished his former lady love Katrina Kaif on her birthday and planned a special bash for her in New York. But now it's back to work for the two former flames, and the two are already in Morocco shooting for their upcoming film Tiger Zinda Hai. The Morocco schedule has some high-octane action sequences and a chase scene in the jacket and a muffler for his new look. Salman seemed to exude an aura of rugged manliness as he posed along with his fans who dropped in at the sets to pay a visit to their dear Sultan. So what do you think of this hot picture of Salman Khan? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Recently, the shocking news of Kareena Kapoor Khan and Meera Rajput getting into a catfight shocked us all. But wait a minute. The bone of contention here is not Shahid Kapoor but their kids Misha and Taimur. These star kids are likely to create bad blood between their mommies. Apparently, Meera's daughter Misha turns 1 in August, while Kareena's son Taimur turns a year old in December. Both the proud mommies are busy planning their first birthday. But what is this? The two ended up liking the same birthday theme for their kids. Yes, this leaves British preschool animated TV series Peppa Pig in a soup as to whom to comply. Well, both the moms are unwilling to budge and change the theme, and so we will have to wait and watch who wins this ultimate battle. Any guesses? Do let us know. Having seen the stupendous chemistry between Ranbir Kapoor and Aishwarya Rai in Karan Johar's Ye Dil Hai Mushkil, filmmakers are once more hopeful of pairing Ash with a younger actor. One such filmmaker is Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, who wishes to pair the former beauty queen with a young actor for his upcoming film Funny Khan. Starring Anil Kapoor and Aishwarya Rai, the hunt for the third actor is on, and it seems that there is a tough competition between Rajkumar Rao and Vicky Kaushal. Though Anil and Ash will not be romantically involved in the film, it will still be a comeback for the two after a long gap of 17 years, and it will be great to see how the two have evolved as actors. The shooting for the film will commence in August and will have the diva in a complete glamorous avatar. Having seen her fashion statement at the Cannes, we can't help but be excited to see her fare in Funny Khan. So while we wait for the name of the third artist to be revealed, do let us know what do you think about this.
Ranbir Kapoor will soon be seen stepping into the role of Sanjay Dutt for his upcoming biopic. While a lot of hype was created around this film, its release has been postponed to March 2018. This move was taken to avoid a box office clash with Salman Khan's Tiger Zinda Hai. Well, understandably, no one dares to cross the path of the Bhaijan of Bollywood. Well, sadly, filmmaker Rajkumar Irani will have to do just that. How? Having averted a Christmas clash with Salman Khan's film Tiger Zinda Hai, the makers ended up clashing with the Bhai for Remo D'Souza's dance-based film. Yes, Salman's Dancing Dad film is slated to release on Eid 2018, and now the makers of Sanjay Dutt's biopic are once more in a soup. While Salman's 2017 Eid release, Tube Light, didn't fare well at the box office, the makers of Sanjay Dutt's biopic are quite optimistic about their project. Well, we wonder what will be in the store for the two films if they do clash. Any guesses? It's double delight when Shah Rukh and Salman come together, be it for a special episode for Bigg Boss or for a cameo role. We all loved SRK's cameo in Salman Khan's Tube Light, and though the film earned average reviews, the scenes with the two Khans were epic. No wonder Salman Khan returned the favor by shooting a special cameo long for SRK's dwarf film by Anand L. Rai. While the role was initially offered to Salman Khan, he refused, citing dates issues, but when Shah Rukh approached, he was kind enough to agree to a cameo. Oh, now isn't this sweet? Though Salman's look in the film is kept a well-guarded secret, we are sure that we will be in for a surprise. But in the meanwhile, do share your thoughts on this cameo number and stay tuned for more updates on this hot scoop.
The IFA 2017 was held in New York amidst great fanfare, and my, this two-day event did steal the thunder. Amongst various performances, there was one which will always remain etched in our minds. What was it? Well, it was the sight of the Bhaijan of Bollywood, Salman Khan, joining his good friend Kamal Khan to croon the Main Hoon Hero Tera. Well, it was the sight of the Bhaijan of Bollywood, Salman Khan. It was pure magic when Salman sang the song in his melodious voice. Dressed impeccably in a black blazer, Salman did make sure that the world knew him for what he was, the true Sultan. On the work front, Salman will be seen sharing screen space with Katrina Kaif in his upcoming spy thriller Tiger Zinda Hai, which is slated to release in December this year. And while we wait for the action to unfold, don't forget to drop in your comments about Salman Khan singing Main Hoon Hero Tera. Guess which B-Town couple grabbed the eyeballs? Yes, it is chocolate boy Shahid Kapoor and his wife Meera Rajput, who looked absolutely adorable as they walked the green carpet hand in hand. Looking at the way Shahid handles Meera, we can be sure that he is the best hubby ever. But wait a minute, wifey Meera doesn't seem to think so. Yes, Shahid himself revealed that Meera feels he is a boring husband as he has been busy working for the last couple of days while in New York, leaving Meera alone to explore New York along with Misha. The price to pay for being a celeb. But we are sure that Shahid will more than make it up to her post-IFA 2017, and when it does happen, we will be glad to see pictures of this perfect family holiday. So while we wait for this to happen, don't forget to drop in your comments about Shahid and Meera's cute PDA, and stay tuned for more updates from the IFA 2017. Salman Khan indeed is a busy man. Having completed the IFA 2017, Salman has begun training for the action sequences for Tiger Zinda Hai. The sequence in Morocco has some exciting chase scenes which involves horses. These horses are no ordinary stallions. Instead, they are trained horses who were seen in Hollywood films like Troy, The Mummy and War Horse. The action sequences will be performed under the supervision of Hollywood action director Tom Struthers, and we are sure that he will indeed do a great job. Filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar has upped the excitement quotient by sharing a video of Tiger Salman riding a horse, and my, he does look like a professional already. His swag and style will make us want to kill, isn't it? So while we enjoy the clip of Salman riding a horse, don't forget to share your comments.